how to log in to Duolingo on app. So if you want to log into your Duolingo on your application, then first you need to install the application from your Play Store or your App Store. So make sure to install the application, and once you've installed, you can open up your Duolingo. And now you can go for get started, or you can go for I already have an account. So if you want to log in, then go for I already have an account, and then here it will take you to the login page, right? So you can log in with your Google, which is on the bottom right, or you can log in with the help of Facebook, which is on the bottom left. But if you want to use your email or your username, then enter your email or username on the first blank. And once you've entered that, on the next blank, you need to enter your password. But if you don't remember your password, then you can go for forgot password so that you can reset or recover your password. But if you remember, then simply enter your credentials and then tap on sign in. And once you tap on sign in, it will log you into your account. So that's it. That's how you log into your Duolingo on your application. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.